Project code ITIMP26. Project title detection and segmentation of satellite remote sensing area using multi-support vector machine algorithms. So our aim of our project, detect the remote sensing area. So what is remote sensing? Remote sensing is uh, detect the different area from the images. Like these are the wet area, this is a green land, this is a water land. So these are the different area will be segmented with the help of multi SVM. So in existing, they used small scale objects in very high resolution remote sensing images. They used in CNN model. In CNN is a semantic segmentation. In semantic segmentation is not correctly detect. So first of all, what is semantic segmentation? Semantic segmentation is a model to segment the real images, like pedestrian image, pedestrian image. Likewise, in the semantic segmentation, with the help of CNN, it will be differentiated. So in existing system, it's not segmented correctly. Proposed concept multi SVM and came in clustering. So first of all, what is clustering? Clustering is a type of unsupervised learning. It will be clustered with the different pixel. Like this is a first image, this is a this round image, and finally this is a image. These are the cluster types. So the cluster will be made with the help of pixel values. In proposed advantages is a fast and reliable system, accurately segmented. So in existing techniques, deep learning will be used. In deep learning, this is a CNN model. It consists three layer. One is input, hidden, and output layer. With the help of this layer, the system will be used the semantic segmentation. In semantic segmentation, image labeler will be used. With the help of image labeler, it will be detected like person, road, sky, likewise. So these are the not detect accurately. So will we move to the our new model, multi SVM. This is a back diagram. This is an input image. So first take in the input image, and next with the help of input image, next convert the color image like RGB to gray conversion, and next cluster the model with the help of k-mean clustering, and next move the multi SVM. With the multi SVM, it will be detected is a dry land, water land, and a grassland. So application is a mainly tracking system and shape modeling. How many area will be dry land, how many area will be wetland, this is the main thing. In future they use in new algorithm to detect. Software 2018A is enough. So why using MATLAB mean is a highly easy to read and learn, and is a most number of toolbox is there like machine learning and deep learning. So hardware 64-bit OS is must to install the software. Conclusion: our aim is remote sensing, detect the dry, wet, and water land from the image with the help of SVM, sorry, multi SVM. Thank you.